How to stall and recover the 737. First, disconnect the auto throttle. Next, close the thrust levers. The autopilot will attempt to maintain level flight, causing the speed to reduce. The airspeed will continue to reduce into the amber band. Buffet alert will display once the airspeed dips below the amber band. When the airspeed is 30% or more into the amber band, the oral alert will sound.
Airspeed low, airspeed low.
The speed box will flash amber for 10 seconds before turning steady amber. Once the airspeed reaches the top of the barber pole, it activates both stick shakers. This is the aircraft stall warning system. To recover, we are first going to recognize and confirm the situation and announce it. Then, we are going to follow the standard stall recovery steps, listed here. Here's a demo. And that's how to stall and recover a 737. Stay tuned for 737 study guides coming soon.